Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubi Toys, and today my awesome assistant
and Tubi.
Can you say hello, I'm Tubi?
Hello, I'm Tubi.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us. We have the new Ducktales figures from the new hit show on the Disney Channel. So super cool. Ducktales originally came out in the 1980s. I used to watch this show when I was a kid. Well, late 80s, early 90s. I would come home every day after school and watch Ducktales, and I loved it. I loved the song. I loved the characters. I loved the stories. Unfortunately, we did not have any toys. So having these toys is super exciting. Cannot wait. So I got these at Target. I will put the prices in the description below. You can find out how much all of them are. I don't know how much everything was off the top of my head. The figures, I believe, were $8.99. The plain was $24.99, and the blind boxes are pretty pricey at $4.99 each. Let's get started. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Tubi Toys, and let me know if you watch the new Ducktales in the comments below. I know Tubi does, right?
Yes, there was a new episode yesterday.
There was a new episode yesterday. I'm super excited to show you guys. Well, Friday I think was a new episode. Let's get started. First, we're gonna open up Flintheart Glumgold. He's the villain of Ducktales.
Flintheart, you're not allowed to have that gem. Put it back in the museum.
Already he's stolen stuff. It's Flintheart Glumgold. There are all of these characters to collect. You can get Donald Duck, Scrooge McDuck, Launchpad McQuack, Flintheart Glumgold, Louie and Webby, which come in a 2-pack, and Dewey and Huey, which come in a 2-pack. We're missing a few characters like the maid. What was the maid? Missing Mrs. Beakley, and we're missing Gyro, but that's okay, and the Beagle Boys. But let's get started. Open this one up. This is Flintheart Glumgold. It's for ages 3 and up, and it's by Fat Mojo. Pretty cool. And he comes with his own gem.
Yes, but he has to return it back to me, the museum or the bank.
Well, this figure is really super light. He is poseable at the arms. You could rotate the arms.
But not the legs.
You could rotate the legs. You could rotate the legs. You could rotate his arms. He has some paint issues. And he feels really light, like almost like hollow. You can't turn his head. And he's just like a big figure. He's so round. He looks like a bell. Like do. And he's really cute, even though he's a bad guy.
Yeah.
Let's see if he could hold his cane. Well, look at this. Oh, wait. Look, there's a little peg hook right there where we could put his cane. Look at that. That's why there's a hole at the top. That is really super clever.
Yeah.
I like that.
Me too.
That is really clever. I've never seen anything like that before. That is super cool. Let's see if he could hold this gem. No, he can't. But that's really cool.
Yeah.
Now that I got me cane, I'm going to be taking your coin boxes.
No, you're not!
Now that you gave me my cane, I got me power back to go take your blind coin banks. Hey, wait a minute, Flintheart. We're just here to have some fun. I don't care. They're mine. And this gem. What? We gotta open up Launchpad McQuack to go save us. You can't do this to us, Flintheart. We can't afford to buy any more of those blind banks, please. These money stacks, they cost a lot of money. I don't care. I'm taking them all. No, Flintheart. Launchpad, help! Can't help you there, Missy. I gotta build my plane. Get me out of the box and I'll help you. I can't do it fast enough. I'm taking them all. No, he's taking all of our coin boxes. I told you not to buy him. He's a bad man. Don't listen to him. Ha ha ha. Bye. That is so messed up. And look, everything fell too. Oh, this is so terrible. He just made everything a huge mess. This is so crazy. Let's just finish opening up these figures and get the Sun Chaser built, and let's get Launchpad in that plane and get our money stacks back, okay? Let's get started. Open up Donald Duck.
Ooh.
Donald Duck comes with a bunch of accessories. He's just come back from, I think, from sailing. He's wearing his sailing costume, and that's when we first meet Scrooge McDuck. He has an iPhone now, and he has what looks like a really old-fashioned phone camera. Really cool.
And also, he's like black and white for his uniform.
That's right. What's kind of weird though is that he has this like futuristic like iPhone looking thing. Looks like an iPhone. But then he has this antiquated looking camera. Am I missing something here? Why have this camera? This camera is so tiny. Oh my gosh. Super, super tiny. Wow, he's really, really, really poseable. So you can move his head. Very, very, very cool. His head actually goes up and down so he could nod. Yes, I can. Yes, yes, yes. No, no, no. His arms move around and around. And look, his legs even move. And they kind of like bend.
Yeah.
Really, really poseable. Ooh.
Yeah, he like sit down on chairs. And he can like sit down on the floor.
Yeah, and he could even take pictures with his camera.
Yeah.
Let's see if we could fit that in his hands. Goes in his hand, and now let's put the phone in his hand. Because he's on the phone and he's taking pictures at the same time.
Yeah.
How cool!
Just like there's a picture on the phone. Like you could take pictures of someone in case you wanna, like, in case it's like funny or something.
That's right. Well, his tail doesn't rotate, which is fine. Really shouldn't. He looks so cool. Let's see if he stands up on his own. My favorite. He does. Oh, I love it. Oh, I like this. Look at this. Cool.
We can use this. We can use that for another video.
That's cool. I'm gonna save these. I like that.
And I can even do Donald Duck's voice.
Very good. I think Donald said you gotta subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Please ring that notification bell every time we post a new video or a giveaway. You'll be the first one to get notified. Very good, Donald.
I can do Goofy's voice too.
You can?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
My name's Goofy.
I see a future voiceover actor over here. Let's move on and open up Webby and Louie.
He has a phone too.
Yeah, he's a green phone. Wow, so she comes with like a launcher, a grapple hook, and she has her like night goggles.
No,
he has soda and a phone. Binoculars?
Yeah.
I think they're like night vision binoculars though, right?
Yeah.
Like you can see stuff at night.
She was trying to climb with Cookie for like a short with them on for like a cookie on the shelf. So that's how I know.
Because you watched the show, right?
That was just in a short when it was soon coming out for the real show.
Oh.
It was just a short.
Let's look at Webby first. Now they made Webby really, really different. Webby in the original was very like childlike, very, very meek. This Webbigail is very, very strong. She seems like she can do a lot for herself. And she seems a lot like smarter, but not like smarter like book smart. I mean like smarter in her age. She just knows more.
And also the kids, their voices, like the boy ones, their voices do not sound like the real ones.
No, they don't. They definitely changed because I think they just got older.
Oh.
So you can move her parts as well. Her head moves. Her arms move. She could rotate her head. And let's see if she could hold the grappling hook.
And let's put her mask on too.
Look how cool she looks with her mask on, with her goggles on, and her grappling hook. She is super cool.
Yeah.
She is so awesome.
She is my favorite because she is so cute.
Does she walk? I mean, does she stand? She stands. And here we have Lou. She doesn't stand. Let's see if she stands without her.
Yeah, I think her goggles were a little too heavy for her. She has a grappling hook.
All right. Here we have Louie, and he wears green, and he is super poseable. You can put his legs up and down, rotate his arms, turn his head, and let's see if he can hold his accessories. He comes with a green cell phone to match his shirt, and he comes with Pep, special can of soda for a special duck. That keeps him nice and energized. Oh, I'm just checking my phone, and I need a drink of my Pep. Pep. Keeps me peppy. Next, we have Huey and Dewey. You know how Huey and Dewey got their names? I'll tell you. Huey is actually after the red hue, which is a color, and Dewey is after the morning dew, and Louie is green. Okay, we have Huey and Dewey. Oh, they're so cute. And we have some really cool accessories right here. Here we go. We have Huey right here, and he's wearing a red hat. He's poseable as well. You could put his arms up and down, rotate his head. We can bend his legs too. So you can pose them in all different things, in different ways. Now this looks like, I have no idea what this is. This is from the new show. They never had like weapons or anything like that. So if you know what this is, let me know in the comments below. And we have, a Junior Woodchuck's book. Very, very, very cool.
Junior Woodchucks? They are Junior Woodchucks.
Yes, they are. And he has his guidebook, so he's studying. What's this? It has like berries, like a bag of berries.
I wish these kids, I wish they were in their woodchuck uniforms.
Oh my god, maybe they will come out with them.
Yeah.
We have Dewey now, and Dewey is wearing a blue shirt, and he is poseable as well. You could turn his head, rotate his arms. Here we have Dewey. Let's move on to the main event, Scrooge McDuck. You got to hurry up. I need to get me money stacks back. All right, Scrooge, I'm moving as fast as I can. Let's move it on up and speed it up. Oh my goodness, here is Scrooge. And of course, Scrooge comes with a little statue. And of course, this is some treasure that I'm sure he has found with his merry squad of treasure hunters. And here we have Scrooge McDuck himself. He has his signature cane. Let's see if he can hold his cane. Excellent. He can hold his cane, and he is wearing his amazing outfit. His head rotates, goes up and down. His arms rotate around and around. His legs move. This is so cool. He is amazing. He looks awesome. My gosh. Love his spectacles. He's so cute. I love Scrooge McDuck. I hope when we go to Walt Disney World later this year, we'll be able to meet him, because now they have meet and greets at Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, you can meet Launchpad McQuack there and Uncle Scrooge.
That's right, so cool. Speaking of Launchpad, let's open up this Sun Chaser box. Now you can actually buy a Launchpad figure separately for $8.99, but since the Sun Chaser came with its own Launchpad figure, I figured why not just get the Sun Chaser instead. This is $24.99, and what's so cool about it is that you have to build it. So I can only guess that maybe it crashes, just like Launchpad crashes his plane all the time. So we're gonna have to see. So you build and play, and Launchpad is ready to fly. It'd be really cool as if it like hit a wall or something and then crashed and like broke apart. So let's see if it does that.
Yeah.
What's cool about the Sun Chaser is that Launchpad built this plane himself, and he used to charge 10 cents per mile to fly people around. He was like a cab, a chauffeur in the sky. But Scrooge is so cheap, even though he's so rich, he did not want to pay 10 cents per mile, so Launchpad charged him 1 cent per mile. So super easy to put together. Here are the instructions. Let's start with the propeller, and these the landing gear right here. All right, now that we have the plane built, let's see what we can do. We can open it up, and we can get out our pilot, the crash pilot himself. Did you know that Launchpad's family, they're a bunch of stunt people? But I think they help him in an episode. I think they got like the Beagle Boys or something. Here is Launchpad. Now, I'm not sure. I really should have got the other figure to compare. Pretty sure it's the same. It looks the same in scale. So I really don't think that you really need to buy this separately, because he does come with it. Save you some money right there. Inside, there's a control panel. Like right over here, it's not really like interactive. There's like little toggles that looks like little toggles, but it's actually the support for the wheels. The wheels really do move, so you can like glide him across like a table or the floor. And the propellers move too. So we're gonna start up our plane. It's a propeller plane, so you start it up like this, and you could, since he's poseable and his head moves and his arms move up and down and his legs bend, we could sit him down in his seat.
And then we could close it up, and then he could fly.
He could fly, that's right. And let's see how he does if we close it. Oh, it works. Can we fit anybody inside? Oh, is there a cargo area for everybody to go in? No, you could put some treasures in there. So we could put all of the treasures inside. So we have the accessories inside. And look, what about this? Is this open, this bottom part? No. Let's see if anything else opens. That's it. All right, now that I got my plane built, I am gonna go get Flintheart Glumgold for Mr. McD and get back those money stacks. I should be back in a jiff. He better come back with my money stacks. I need them now. What's so special about them? They're mine. No one else should be taking anything that's mine. I don't do it to anyone else. Yeah you do. I do it for the love of the hunt. Oh boy, I just need to get away from this family. Ha, me treasure is safe now. He won't be able to find me here in my tree house. Launchpad crashed into my treehouse! Hey, sorry, Flint, but these money stacks are from my boss, and I need to get it. Oh, take your money stacks. It's not gonna be that easy, brother. Here we go. Ah! I had to do it. It's a bad guy. Let's take these money stacks back to Mr. McD. Thanks for helping me, everybody. Oh, at least I still have me gem. I'm gonna take that too. Thanks. Oh. Ah, good work, laddie. Don't mention it, Mr. McD. These are heavy. It's a money stack with one figure inside. Figure of what? Don't worry about it. It's a surprise. Let's open it up. We'll help you. Don't worry. So these are the Ducktales Money Stacks minifigures. They are by Fat Mojo for ages 3 and up. And it looks like there are 9 to collect. You have Scrooge McDuck, Webby, Dewey, Huey, Louie, Darkwing Duck is in there, Donald, Launchpad, and it looks like, was this Webby's friend?
Yeah.
Okay, so open it up. You have a little tear strip up here. Oh, we got Louie! Very, very nice. So here is Louie, and he has his hands in his pockets. Here is the regular figure, and here is the mini figure. Really not much different in size. Not too bad, maybe about an inch off. The only thing is he's not poseable.
He turned his head a little bit.
Can't turn his head. He's like rubbery. Does he stand on his own? Yes, he does. This is so cool. Can I open up another one?
Yeah.
And these really do, you can use these as little money banks. You could put a coin inside and you could save some money. So you could save up to buy more of these money stacks. And look at them. They're actual coins stacked up. Really, really, really cool. I like these containers a lot, and we are going to keep them. Who are we going to get?
We got Webby!
No, we got the girl from the episode. It's her friends.
Oh, yeah. I was looking at
Weren't they? I remember this episode when they were like at the water or something. I don't remember. I thought I remembered. Okay. She's really cool. What's her name? Let us know in the comments below. She's very like emo. She's wearing like a long shirt. She's got like pink color tipped hair. She's not poseable or anything, but she looks really, really, really cool. And last but not least, we got one more. We got one more. Maybe it's me. Maybe it's me. Here we go. Last but not least.
Who is it? Who is it?
Oh boy. Here we go. Who do you think it is? Let us know in the comments below. Do you think it's Launchpad? Do you think it's Scrooge? Do you think it's Darkwing Duck? Let's get dangerous and see. It's Launchpad! He was right! I told you I'd save myself! Look, he's even wearing his suit that he wears. His little tie. Can't rotate him. These are like bendable figures, but they're really, really cool. I like these.
Me too.
Well, thanks for joining us today, guys, and thanks for helping us get back the money stack blind packs from Flintheart. Launchpad McQuack, thanks to you. If you want to see more videos like this, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, ring that notification bell. We have plenty more of these money stacks to open up. And maybe some more DuckTales figures in the future. Thanks for watching, guys.
Have a great day.
Have a quacktastic day. Hope your day's quackers. Quack, 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 quack.
And have a great DuckTales day.
Woohoo!
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Yeah, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.